Hi, my name is Kevin Levy, and I work for the University of Maryland as one of the graduate students. I do research on emerging fuel vehicles, and I'm doing that research for the Fire Protection Research Foundation. I'm looking at this research as a statistical analysis rather than an experimentation analysis, and even so, it's been very neat. I've enjoyed it quite a bit. On the video you can see we've looked at some of the different hazards of emerging fuel vehicles. This one is a compressed natural gas bus that caught on fire. It has a jet flame shooting from the tank that's 15 feet high. It's a pretty different hazard than a traditional fueled vehicle, and that was very exciting to find out about. We've also come across other hazards for these vehicles, such as chain reactions, one vehicle setting off a fire in another, and that's been another set of neat hazard analysis that we've done. On the screen behind me you can see a chart where I've documented some of the statistical analysis I did. First looking at the probability of a fire scenario, and then looking at the consequence, how many people might die in the scenario. Multiplying the probability and the consequence together, we get a risk analysis, which will tell us hopefully the number of deaths per vehicle per year. And this we can compare to traditional fuel vehicle statistics and hopefully get a good result and understand it better and predict what will happen in the future. I've gotten to present this research at the National Fire Protection Association conference in Boston, and that was a really neat experience, getting to present in front of 50 people, and it was pretty exciting. Also, I've really enjoyed doing fire experiments here at the University of Maryland. I really enjoyed that part of the classwork where I get to get my hands dirty and do a lot of the experimentation, which I didn't get to do for my thesis. I've found that satisfied a great bit of that need for me, and really has been exciting. You can see on the wall behind me the plastic plate that we burned as part of a little experiment to determine whether a flame was actually hollow, just using a plastic plate and a lighter. And it was a pretty neat little experiment. And the other day I helped burn a car. That's been one of the most exciting things I did here. You might have seen that earlier from one of the other researchers. The last thing I really like about fire in general is that it's just understanding what goes on with fire, how it works, and what it is. It's been so neat. I've understood all sorts of different dynamic principles in my school research and my school work, and fire's been just the most exciting of all of those. Well, I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you very much.